Hi guys, it's Richard from Stay Safe Workshops here. Welcome to the third edition of our Stay Safe video diaries. We are excited to be kicking off our first full week down here in Cornwall. We are working with schools throughout the county this week where we will be running multiple workshops and assemblies covering all the topics that we specialise in. Kicking things off this morning at St Dennis Primary School where we are running another Stay Safe mentoring programme for their new Year 5 selected pupils. We're going to be training these up this morning to become school mentors. I'm sure they're going to be a fantastic, as all the other ones have been that we've worked with at the school, fantastic addition to the school. What we're going to be doing this week is we're going to be logging what we're up to just to give you an insight of what we've been doing, who we've been working with, hopefully showing some photos and clips along the way. Cheers guys, see you soon.
Why do children need a mentor?
Something's gone wrong at home.
They are a bit shy and they don't have any friends.
To stop bullies. To give them someone to look up to. If they are colourblind, we can help them.
If something from someone's body is broken, we can help them.
So they feel like they can come into school without getting bullied. They're new to this school. They have a disability. If someone is sad, you could play with them.
We are the Stay Safe Mentors of St Dennis Primary Academy.
Just finished a fantastic session here at St Dennis Primary Academy. We've just completed a morning's mentoring training with 12 selected Year 5 pupils. A fantastic bunch. It was a pleasure to work with them. We've been giving them lots of additional training following on from a previous anti-bullying workshop. They've been having additional training on how to become good mentors, good positive role models, everything from incorporating games in the playground with the younger children all the way through to how to support vulnerable children. The work has been fantastic. Their ideas, their input, they're going to make a great addition to the school, providing pupil, teacher and in fact whole school community support. Well done guys. Welcome back to day 2 of Cornwall Week. Unfortunately an extremely wet and rainy day 2 of Cornwall Week, but that's Cornwall weather for you. Another full jam-packed day today. Kicking things off this morning, just sitting outside ready to go in. We're working at Mevagissey Primary School where we're working with a group of Year 6 pupils, training them up to become Stay Safe school mentors, and then at lunchtime dashing over to Nampian Primary School about 20 minutes away where we're pretty much going to do the same thing. Lots of mentoring training today, lots of new exciting members joining Team Stay Safe Mentors. It's going to be a jam-packed day. See you soon. Hi guys, just a quick update. Just finished a really exciting day. We've been doing mentoring training throughout the day, both Year 6s. Unfortunately, we couldn't take many photos, or in fact, we wasn't allowed to take any photos today due to parental permission, which is fairly normal. So we haven't got any photos to put up. We're glad to see that even just by leaving this afternoon, we've already had a couple of things pop up on the school social media account saying how well they've enjoyed the sessions, how great the children have enjoyed it. We've got another busy day tomorrow, driving down to St Earth to work with another school where we'll be doing some e-safety training for the whole school.